How would you like to see 20 apps that pay you straight to your PayPal account? Well, if that's something you would like to see, stay with me throughout this video. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about 20 apps that pay you real money straight to your PayPal account. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm also here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell to get notified when I put out these videos. And if you have any comments about today's video, post them down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And of course, if you have any questions, please post them below so I can reply. All right? Okay, now if you're more interested in a passive income, something that makes you $100 to $300 every single day on clock, like clockwork, something that I do on the side that is not these 20 apps, because these are apps that are going to be paying you very little money over a long period of time. So if you're looking for money that'll pay you passively, then click the link down in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method, and just click that link and I'll send you some information. All right, guys, so let's get started with today's video. These apps, I got 20 apps here, all right? So I'll put a link in the description with all these apps, all right? So I'll put all this in the description so you know where to go to find these apps. So the first app is called Ibotta. These apps pay you to shop, and we'll just run over to each one of these and check it out. So Ibotta, I guess that's how you say it. Basically what it is you get paid to shop. So you shop, you send them a receipt, you link your loyalty card, and mobile app purchases. So there's 3 ways that you can earn, all right? So you find the offers before you shop, add the offers by completing a simple task, go shopping for the things that your offers were for, get your receipt or your loyalty card or doing it in-app purchases, and then redeem them and get cash, all right? So you get paid within 48 hours of doing this stuff. So here's some of the stores. There are 290 supported stores. Some of the big names: Walmart. Everybody shops at Walmart. CVS and Walgreens. Everybody probably gets stuff at those 2 places. Then you got Kroger, Food Lion, Publix, and there's a slew of other places. So guys, run over to Ibotta, however you say that, and get signed up for the first app. So the second app is called Receipt Hog. Now these apps that I'm talking about right now are apps that actually pay you to shop, all right? So this one is pretty much the same way. It's easy to earn. You snap receipts, you get bonuses, then you redeem coins for prizes, which actually you can use for cash to PayPal or even Amazon gift cards, all right? So that's another simple app, and it's just like the other one. So get signed up for that one as well, because you might be able to double dip here, all right? The third one is called Shopkick. All right. So Shopkick is another one that pays you to shop. And Shopkick is very similar to the other 2. We'll just run over here to how it works. You earn rewards in store and online. All right. There are 3 easy ways to get reward points. And with that, you get your, you can do some things. I think it's the same thing as you can get gift cards, or you can do money through PayPal, all right? So it's the same thing. You walk into stores, you make a purchase, and as long as it's linked to your account or submit a receipt, then you get your rewards, all right? So that's another one, and that one was called Shopkick, all right? The next one is called Mobi app. We're going to run over to it. And now, guys, all 4 of these or 5 of these apps will do the same thing, right? So this one's actually a little tiny different. It's saying find a mission near you. It points you to where these areas are that are actually allowing you to go in and actually purchase. and then complete your mission. So it says go do this, and you do it, then you get a reward. All right. So this is a pretty cool app also. So just go ahead and check it out, dude. All right. Check this place out. Looks like you get points for going to Starbucks or Chick-fil-A, etc., etc. All right. So next is ways to pay you to do surveys, downloading apps, videos, and playing games, etc. So all these apps, you either can make money doing your surveys, downloading apps, watching videos, or playing games. All right. So the first one is Cash Pirate. CashPirate.mobi. Now, most of these apps are all for Android and iOS. So just join up and get rewarded. So what this does is actually gives you coins for PayPal Cash, right? So you're doing silly things like taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, whatever you want to do within that app, and you get paid coins, which convert into cash for you. All right. So the sixth one is called App Karma. All right. So App Karma is very similar to Cash Pirate, where you earn rewards for playing with apps. All right, so it'll say open this app for so long and you get this many points. So once you get the points, you can get your rewards. And also with this one and some of the others, if you refer friends, you get 30% of what your friends earn. That's pretty major for this App Karma. So you can refer people to use App Karma and you get 30% of what they earn. That'd be kind of cool, right? I'm not affiliated with any of these apps. I'm just relaying the message here because I don't do this kind of stuff. I'm more interested in a passive income and one that pays out a little more than this little bit of money over a long period of time. All right. So just go in here, play the games, earn the badges, the coins, or whatever it is, and get paid in PayPal. All right. So the next one is called Make Money. All right. Make Money is another free cash app. You can see 400,000 people are using this. It's got 4.7 stars out of 5, which is very good. And you can see here it's been used just recently. And you can see here you need 1,000 points for $5. All right. So that might take you a long time to get, but it is free money. All right, guys, this is free money here. So it's not going to be something that you do a little bit of and they give you a whole bunch of. All right, so you got to do a whole bunch for a little bit. Get Panel app. So Panel app is another one that gets you paid to do certain things. And of course, this one also has a refer and earn option as well. So you probably get paid more by referring people than you do by using an actual app. So that might be something that you all want to get into. Otherwise, you could be sitting on your couch. You're going to be browsing through Facebook anyways. Why not try to get paid a few cents or a few dollars while you're doing that? The next one is called Feature Points. Feature Points is an app that you get rewarded for, and it's the same way, right? You take web surveys, blah, 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 and get cash back. So you can either get paid by PayPal or get gift certificates. And, you know, you're just basically downloading apps, taking surveys, etc., to earn this money. All right. That was Feature Apps. And the next one is Mobi app. Oh, I said Mobi app. I think we already did that one. The next one is Swag Bucks. All right, so Swag Bucks. Most people are familiar with what Swag Bucks is, but Swag Bucks will actually give you a $10 bonus just for signing up. All right, and I think this one also allows you to get paid for referring people as well, and it's very cool because you get PayPal Cash. All right, this is the numbers that they've done over time, and you can do a review. You can look for reviews on Swag Bucks. It's a very popular program and people are using it and making money. Okay, so just run over and check it out, download it, and like guys, this is all free money. So just download all these apps, but make sure that you are paying attention to what you're downloading because you can never trust an app like this. So you make sure you do your reviews. Now all these apps I have already went through all their websites and made sure that people are actually using this stuff and they're legit. So all these apps are legit, but there are no guarantees here, all right? So the next apps are survey taking apps, and these are specifically for taking surveys. And the first one here, number 11, is Global Test Market. So Global Test Market is a pretty cool one. It just pays you to take surveys, and it looked like a pretty legit uh, website. So I just went here and I checked it out, and it seems pretty cool. I think you get paid for taking surveys, just like all any other survey website. But you can do reviews on this. This one had pretty good reviews, so that's why I marked it. And it's called Global Test Market. The next one is Paid Viewpoint. Paid Viewpoint is another very good survey website. Now this one, the site is kind of weird, but trust me, I did my research on Paid Viewpoint, and it's one of the better survey sites. So you can come in here, you can play this demo, and it'll actually walk you through what this is, and it'll tell you exactly what to expect with Paid Viewpoint. So this is a pretty cool one. So if you can get into this one, go ahead and start uh, taking surveys and getting paid. InstaGC. InstaGC is one I've talked about in the past. And of course, InstaGC is pretty cool. It'll pay you for taking surveys, watching videos, shopping, and searching. All right, so it's another one that's pretty cool. Go ahead and download that one. I've actually done this. I'll log into my account. I've actually used this before to watch videos, and as you can see, it takes a lot of money to earn a lot of points to earn any money. All right, so that's just InstaGC. The next one is Tuluna. Tuluna is another one that you take surveys with, so definitely go check this out. And like I said, it's another one that's very popular. All these that I'm talking about are popular and can be used with App Store and Google Play. So you're fine if you have an iOS or an Android phone. All right, so go check this one out for taking surveys and getting paid PayPal money. Cash Crate. I know this is crazy, right? I'm running out of breath talking about all these sites. Cash Crate is another one that's pretty awesome to take surveys, shopping, get paid for referrals, etc. So check this out. I mean, here's featured offers. You can go to Lego, buy something, earn $1.50. So guys, you can see how you can make money, and it shows you who's making money down here. Megan posted a check of $113. So it's pretty cool. Uh, and again, guys, this is free money. All right, free money to your PayPal account. Next one is placing ads and news on your screen or watching videos. Now, these are what they call intrusive apps. So you'll download the app and it'll run in the background while your phone is locked, and it'll just sit there and make money. All right, so it'll pop you ads, etc. But this is pretty cool because you don't really have to use your phone at all. It's just running in the background. And of course, they're not hacking your passwords or nothing like that. They're just running advertisements. Okay. And that was Get SlideJoy. The next one is Fronto, and this is the same one. They call them intrusive apps, but they run in the background while your screen is locked, and it's all about ads pretty much, right? Ads and coupons or whatever, but you can see how you can quickly get points, all right? And of course, all these pay out in PayPal. Again, you can run over to their Facebook pages, etc., and check these out. The next one's called App Trailers. This one you get paid for watching trailers, so watching movie trailers, etc., etc. You can share it on Facebook, whatnot. But people are actually making money from this stuff, it just blows my mind that people actually do all this work to get paid, but it is what it is, and that's what people like to do. All right, guys, and that was called App Trailers, and this, of course, pays you via PayPal. The last two here are Get Viggle and Swagbucks Watch TV. So Viggle is just like App Trailers. You get paid to watch TV, watch trailers, etc. So each trailer you watch, you earn rewards, and you take them rewards, get Amazon gift cards or PayPal, etc. The last one is called Swagbucks Watch. So this is Swagbucks, but you're actually watching TV instead of the other thing. So go ahead and check this out. And again, invite your friends to use this stuff because that's how you get more and more points, right? So this one has a referral program, and right here's how it works. You earn 10% of whatever they earn. All right. So if you get 100 people to sign up, you get 10% of whatever they do. All right. So that can be pretty massive. Now, this is just a quick disclaimer or warning. When you're downloading unfamiliar apps that pay, be sure that you trust the source. The list above was carefully selected, however, not that eh, claim to give you free money live up to their claim. All right, so even though the website says, "Hey, we're going to pay you money," don't mean they're going to actually pay you. But these were vetted, and I looked at all the reviews and forums, etc. People were talking about them, so they look like they're legit. But just make sure before you download it, make sure it's the exact link that I post, and that it's the actual website. All right, before you give them personal information, etc. All right, guys. Hopefully you got some value out of this. If you did, give me a like. If you're new to my channel, again, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, give me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you're more interested in a passive income, click the link down below. My number one recommended Make Money Online method. Click that link and I will send you some more information. All right? Okay, guys. Peace out, and I hope you have a great day.